So now we're going to be converting measurements from smaller to larger units. So we see that we have 12 feet and we're going to yards. Well, remember, yards are bigger units than feet. So if you imagine, and you don't have to draw this, but if this is 1 yard, each foot is going to be represented with the blue. We need 3 feet to make up that 1 yard. So we don't need as many yards to make up for 12 feet. So what we can do is two things. We know that 1 yard equals 3 feet, or what we could say is 1 foot is the same as 1/3 of a yard. Notice, I'm going to shade in here, the blue part that I just shaded represents 1 foot, and we need 1, 2, 3 feet to make up a yard. So this 1 foot is representing 1/3 of the entire yard. So what we can do is either divide 12 divided by 3 to get 4 yards, or, and this will help once we start getting mixed numbers, 12 times 1/3. Remember, 12 is the same as 12 over 1. 12 times 1 is 12. I'm sorry, that's being equals. 12 times 1 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 12/3 is the same as 12 divided by 3, which equals 4. I'm going to suggest you use this way because when we use mixed numbers, we want to be multiplying by 1/3 because we don't know how to be dividing by a mixed number by 3 yet. Let's try the next one. We have 11 feet this time, and we're converting to yards. So once again, 1 foot represents 1/3 of a yard. So what we can do is multiply the 11 feet times 1/3 of a yard, because that's how much each foot represents. 11 is the same as 11 over 1. 11 times 1 is 11, and 1 times 3 is 3. 11/3 is equal to 3 wholes, because 3 times 3 is 9, and we need 2 more feet to get to 11/3 feet. So, whoops, sorry. So our answer is 3 and 2/3. Let's try one more together. 5.5 feet to yards. So here we know that 1 foot is representative of 1/3 of a yard. So we're going to do 5.5 feet times 1/3 of a yard because that's how much each foot represents. We're going to use the area model to help us. 5 plus 1/2. We're going to multiply that by 1/3. 5 times 1/3 is 5/3. 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. So we have 5/3, which is equal to 1 and 2/3 plus 1/6. Remember, we need common denominators. I know between 3 and 6, the common denominator is 6. So I'm going to rewrite 1 and 2/3 as a fraction or a mixed number with a denominator of 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 and 2/3 is equal to 1 and 4/6. So we can add now 1 and 4/6 plus the 1/6 from here, which equals 1 and 5/6. Our answer to how many 5.5 feet is equal to in yards is 1 and 5/6 yards. Try the rest of these on your own.